Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Syed from Zuhair speaking, and today I will be presenting to you our final project, which is by HDV, which was developed by me and my fellow members Shahzaib Shoaib, Zauraiz, and Shaikh Zia Saeed. So starting off, as you can see very clearly that the screen is blurry and harder to see, and the texture is harder to see. But what happens if we enhance it or change it? It becomes more clear. That's what our project is about. It's basically enhancing the image and the video properties. So let's start off with the problem. Basically, low resolution, noisy, or blurry content is everywhere, from compressed videos and cheap cameras to poor lighting conditions. These flaws limit the effectiveness of visuals in critical settings like security, healthcare, and entertainment. In real-world cases, HD Vision, our project, addresses this by enhancing media for real-world needs, including grainy CCTV footages, clarifying medical scans, storing classic films, or making online calls clear. What sets our project HD Vision set apart? What sets it apart? Basically, with enhanced both video and audio, our solution runs entirely offline with no cloud dependencies, ensuring great privacy, scalability, and control for professionals. Now, what are our objectives? Our objectives are simple and powerful. Boosting images and video quality with AI, upscaling the low-res visuals using the ESRT animals, reducing noise and blur for clarity, adding frames to increase our video smoothness, denoising clarify video, and all of this done on the local system where Now, we've leveraged cutting-edge tools like ESRT for super resolution, AFI-based models for frame interpolation for a smoother motion, and UX for switching. Our innovation, combining all of this in one local tool, including audio of important similar situations. Now, what is the best touch? So, our pipeline integrates ESRT for a sharp upscaling, AFI for motion smoother, and DMUX for audio clarity, and all of them wrapped up in a single desktop application built using electronics. Now, these are the tools apart from ESRT and EMI VFI that we use. This was the data set that we used to train on them. And these are the more details of our models here as a VFI. These were the research papers we used. And this was our result. Now, here was the result. So basically, before I tell you the results, I should do that. Our tech stack, you can say the front end features a clean, user-friendly interface where the user can upload their media, enhance it, and save results all offline with ease. Now, as you can see in this picture, you might not know a difference, but it's somehow some differences in here, and you can see enhancements in it. But what if we can show you live with a live demo? So let's move on to the live demonstration. Our front end. Here we have the video for uploads. Here we have the previews of our before and after. This is for the video being shown to us before receiving it, and these are the settings. When we click on the enhance button, we see a processing showing the progress of our video being enhanced. Once that is completed, it will show the result of our enhanced video on the after stage, which will be shown right here. So that's our live demo. So that was our demo that we just shown you. Now to conclude our whole presentation, our whole video, there's so much that I need to say that HD Vision is more than just a tool. It's a leap forward in media clarity, privacy first design, and AI powered enhancements. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye.